So hi guys, welcome back again to my channel and to my kitchen. This is another requested recipe, guys. This is all requested. I'm going to all requested recipes that you guys are asking me. Everybody have their own version of how them cook in them kitchen. I'm going to show you how me cook mine in my kitchen. If you are new to my channel, hit the subscribe, guys. It's right there. Right there. Then you go over here and you hit the notification bell because it will make me know when time I load up something, right? And this one is called How to Make Jamaican Fricassee Chicken. Yes, right there. Alright, I'm going to show you guys how to make this one. It's going to be so good. It's almost like brown stew chicken but with a different little twist. I'm going to show you my twist to this thing. Let's get started.
Here comes a rude boy Jamaican.
Alright guys, we're moving on to our very first step into making this recipe turn all the way up. So now guys, I have my chicken there that has been washed nice and clean. Alright, you want to make sure you do that first. Salt goes on, paprika, black pepper, nutmeg, chicken seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, garlic, onion powder, and your browning. Alright, if you don't have browning, you go ahead and you use some soy sauce. There's a link down below. I'm going to show you how to make your browning from scratch. Vinegar goes in. Now you're going to put your cornstarch on top of that. And guys, all your ingredients and your amount will be down below. Clean hands, you want to go in and you're going to mix all this in. And so that is how that look. We'll cover it up. And when I come back, it's ready for our next step. Okay guys, we are moving on to our very first step. Now I have my hot oil in the pot right there, so. And I'm going to go ahead and put my chicken in. And we want to make sure that I get a nice golden brown color. We're going to allow them to fry nice and golden brown on both sides. And then when I come back, I'm going to move on to the next step. I will finish up this dish. Okay guys, we are moving on to our next step. In that pot is where we fried the chicken just now. You want to use that same pot because in that pot is a lot of goodness that you need to flavor up your chicken. The first thing you want to do is add your garlic in, your ginger, and your pimento seeds. Now the next thing you're going to do, in your container, the one that you use to marinate that chicken, is all that yumptious from your seasoning, right? You want to go ahead and add about 2 cups of water to that and mix it around. And then you pour it into your vegetables. I'm going to cover this up for about 10 minutes. And then when I come back, I'm going to go ahead and put that chicken in there. Put some ketchup on it, do whatever else I need to do, give it a little taste test, and then it's going to be finished. So I'll see you back in 10 minutes. Okay, so now my vegetables has been cooking for about 10 minutes. All I'm going to do here is go ahead and put that chicken in. And at this stage, guys, you want to make sure that you put your fire. Make sure you fire up on medium heat, because you don't want this thing cooked too fast. Now it's time to put my ketchup on there. Now if you don't like ketchup, you could put tomato paste, or you can even use spaghetti sauce. It's okay. Depending on how much chicken you're making, you might need to add a little bit more water, okay? But that's pretty good right there. I'm gonna go ahead, put my lid on that, and let it simmer to a nice little gravy. And when I come back, this chicken is going to be all done. I'll see you back. Okay guys, that is all done. Fast, easy, and simple. You're gonna go ahead and get that on a plate, and we will be ready to eat. Fast, easy, and simple. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Let me know what you'd like to see me cooking next in my kitchen. And as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy. I'm gonna let this cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, it's time for we eat. So see you back in a few minutes.
So this is in with your foundation, full coverage, you know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.